Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix iPhone not getting text notifications. Here are the steps to fix your iPhone not getting text messages notifications. First is to open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Tap Messages from the app list. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Under Alerts, enable or make sure to check the options for lock screen, notification center, and banners. Now, scroll down and ensure sounds and badges are turned on. Go back to the settings main menu and tap focus. Check if do not disturb or any focus mode is enabled. If yes, turn it off or add messages to allow notifications. Go to Settings, tap Apps, Messages, Notifications, and make sure Show Previews is set to Always. Open the Messages app, tap the person's chat you're missing alerts from, tap the name or number at the top, and make sure Hide Alerts is off. Finally, shut down and turn on your iPhone again to restart your iPhone. Refresh all settings, and then test by sending yourself a message. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.